Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to see recently deleted message contacts. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to recover deleted phone numbers. So as you can see, I'm in the Messages app, and if I actually demonstrate for you, swiping right and then deleting, and as you can see, it moved it to recently deleted. So let's tap on edit at the top left corner and then show recently deleted. As you can see, I can permanently delete it or I can recover it. So I'm gonna recover it and it's right here. So this is a new iOS update and it's actually pretty cool. So if you delete a number and you can actually recover it. So if there are any accidents, like if you didn't mean to delete it, you can simply just recover it. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.